On this day in 1935, India's central banking institution, the Reserve Bank of India, was formed. The Reserve Bank of India, or RBI, is India's central bank which controls the issue and supply of the Indian rupee. RBI is the regulator of the entire banking sector in India, and it plays an important part in the development strategy of the government of India. But how was it formed? The Reserve Bank of India was founded in 1935 to respond to economic troubles after the First World War. It was conceptualized based on the guidelines presented by the Central Legislative Assembly, which passed these guidelines as the RBI Act 1934. The original choice for the seal of RBI was the East India Company double mohr with the sketch of the lion and palm tree. However, it was decided to replace the lion with the tiger, the national animal of India. The central office of the RBI was established in Calcutta but was moved to Bombay in 1937. The RBI also acted as Burma's central bank until April 1947, even though Burma seceded from the Indian Union in 1937. After the partition of India in August 1947, the bank served as the central bank for Pakistan until June 1948, when the State Bank of Pakistan commenced operations. Though set up as a shareholders' bank, the RBI has been fully owned by the Government of India since its nationalization in 1949. Now, how is the RBI structured? The Central Board of Directors is the main committee of the central bank. The Government of India appoints the directors for a 4-year term. The board consists of a governor, 4 deputy governors, 4 directors to represent the regional boards, the economic affairs secretary and the financial services secretary from the Ministry of Finance, and 10 other directors from various fields. The Preamble of the Reserve Bank of India describes the basic functions of the Reserve Bank as to regulate the issue of banknotes and keeping of reserves with a view to securing monetary stability in India, and generally to operate the currency and credit system of the country to its advantage. To have a modern monetary policy framework to meet the challenge of an increasingly complex economy, to maintain price stability while keeping in mind the objective of growth. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is be well informed about the COVID-19 virus, the disease it causes, and how it spreads. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands or using an alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching your face.